Hello there and welcome to Legal Break. I'm Maureen Akers, and with me today, Gary Bruce. As always, thanks so much for joining us again, Gary.
Good to be here, thank you.
And we are talking today about military insurance. We live in a town, a very strong military town. A lot of folks utilize Tricare as their health insurance, but it can be complicated and confusing. And I think one of the things that has come up is that reimbursement. How does one navigate Tricare as well as reimbursement in cases like that?
Yeah, we've talked about this some in the past, about whose responsibility is it to pay if you're involved in an accident or a fall or something that when you need medical care. Well, you use your insurance, and Tricare is no exception. But Tricare is different than, say, Blue Cross or United Healthcare or whatever else you might have Medicare. Tricare is government run, obviously, through administrators, but as lawyers, we have to coordinate through the local JAG office, believe it or not. So it helps to do that.
You don't go straight to the Tricare, you have to go through the JAG office.
No, and that's their kind of local representative. So what we have to do, and the good news that people don't know, is that if you do have a lawsuit, if you do have a claim to make, you have an obligation to reimburse Tricare if you collect from a third party. So if you collect from the tortfeasor, the person who causes the wreck, or their insurance company, then you have an obligation to pay that money back for the value of the services for your medical care. And as lawyers, and I want people to know this because we do it all the time, but I don't know that everybody does, the lawyer cannot charge a fee on that. So if there's a recovery of medical bills that goes to the Tricare, through the JAG office to reimburse Tricare, the lawyer does not charge a fee on that.
But can help the person navigate that.
Actually, we have an obligation to do that. So we have to deal early on with the JAG office, get the amounts that are claimed, and put it together, and then collect that for the government.
Right.
And so anyway, I think that's interesting that Tricare treats it that way. Other things are not treated that way. That's kind of the military discount, so to speak, but that's what we do.
When would it become a legal matter? I guess at that point then, if it can't be, I guess.
Well, the good news.
When you can help, I guess, navigate those.
I think here's another interesting issue about it. The good news is the government understands that sometimes there's not enough money to pay them back and try and take care of their insured. And so there are mechanisms through the Army and through other means to appeal the amount they're claiming. And we do that a lot of times. It's like, look, there's not enough money here to make your client, your insured whole or soldier whole, so let's see if we can't reduce the amount of your lien. And we do that routinely, and that's another way to get around that.
Right. So more information, Gary Bruce Law, that can help you. Thank you so much for joining us today on Legal Break, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one.